Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, empty space for 5, a hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.